how to record long video on Snapchat. Hello guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will guide you that how can you record long videos on your Snapchat. So let's get started. On this process, first you'll have to open Snapchat on your device. So simply open the Snapchat. Alright, so after you open the Snapchat, in the camera roll section, you will got such interface. So from here, you will have to tap on arrow icon that will just appear at the top right corner of the screen. So simply tap on this arrow icon. Alright, so now from these options, you'll have to go with the option director mode. So simply tap on it. Alright, so now from the director mode, you will be able to record long videos on your Snapchat. So after you tap on this record option, you will be able to record seamless or long video on Snapchat. So this is the simplest and easiest way to perform that. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.